Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Grubhub application. So let's get started right away. If you want to sign out from your account on the Grubhub application, and when you do it from within the application, you find that your email address might still be saved. So in order to avoid this, go ahead and long press on the Grubhub application and then tap on the info button. Now this will take you into the application settings page for Grubhub. Now go ahead and tap on the force stop button first at the bottom right corner. Then tap on OK to stop the app. Then scroll down and tap on storage. Now from the storage menu, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and then tap on the delete button, and this will delete all of your user data for the Grubhub app. Now once you exit this, you will need to log into your Grubhub application once again, but now your login information will not be saved. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Grubhub application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.